One of our viewers asked how to fix AMD Driver Timeout on Windows 11. To fix it, simply open any browser you have, Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Here in address bar, you need to type AMD Cleanup Utility. Then make sure you select the same website, simply open it. Scroll it down, you will see this application in here. Click on it and install the AMD Cleanup Utility tool. Simply click on open and install it. After installing, it will ask you to reboot your PC and run it in safe mode. Simply click on yes, and afterward it will show you this prompt. This process will remove AMD driver and application such as graphic card driver, audio driver and Radeon software. You can click on OK and you will see a screen like this. Simply run it. Then you will see the prompt. The AMD Cleanup Utility has successfully completed. Click on finish. Then reboot your PC, and after reboot, simply open the browser and here you need to type AMD driver. Then open the website, download the driver on your PC. After downloading the driver, simply open it and install a fresh new copy of the driver on your PC. During installation, select factory reset and clean installation, and after installing the driver, click on start and restart your PC. Hopefully this will fix your issue. If you still need help, leave your comment below or contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page.